everyone! I'm back at my favorite chair where I will explore topics that empower and enhance your well-being. Today we are diving into a subject that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, hormone replacement therapy, commonly known as HRT. Whether you are a man or woman, understanding the potential benefits and consideration of the HRT can be a game changer in your journey to optimal health. So let's get started. To kick things off, let's clarify what hormone replacement therapy is. HRT involves the use of hormones to address imbalances in the body. As we age, our hormones levels naturally decline, leading to a variety of symptoms. HRT aims to restore these hormone levels to a more balanced state. First up, let's talk about hormone replacement therapy for women. Many women experience symptoms of hormone imbalances during menopause, such as hot flashes, mood swings, and decreased libido, decreased bone density. HRT can be a powerful tool to alleviate these symptoms and improve overall quality of life. Common symptoms during menopause. Number 1, hot flashes and night sweats. These symptoms are sudden, intense heat and sweating. Number 2, mood swings, fluctuation in mood, including irritability. Number 3, sleep disturbances, insomnia or difficulty staying asleep. Number 4, brain fog, memory loss. Number 5, decreasing libido. Benefits of hormone replacement therapy for women. Number 1, relief from menopausal symptoms. Alleviates hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. Number 2, improve vaginal health, combats vaginal dryness and discomfort, enhance libido. Number 3, prevention of bone density loss. Number 4, decreasing cholesterol level, decreasing cardiovascular risk. Number 5, enhancing memory and cognitions. Now let's shift our focus to hormone replacement therapy for men. While men don't go through a distinct menopause like a woman, they do experience a decline in testosterone as they age. HRT for men can help address issues like fatigue, low libido, and muscle loss. Symptoms of low testosterone in men. Number 1, reduced libido and sexual dysfunction. Low testosterone can lead to decreased libido, erectile dysfunctions, and sexual performance issues. Number 2, fatigue and a lack of energy. Low energy levels, increased tiredness, and reduced motivation are common symptoms. Number 3, mood changes and irritability. Low testosterone may cause mood swings, irritability, and even symptoms of depression. Benefits of hormone replacement therapy for men. Number 1, improve libido and sexual function. HRT can enhance sexual desire and performance. Number 2, increase energy and vitality. HRT often results in higher energy levels, improved mood, and better overall vitality. Number 3, muscle mass and bone density maintenance. HRT helps maintain muscle mass and bone density, reducing the risk of a condition like osteoporosis. As we wrap up today's discussion on hormone replacement therapy for both men and women, it's clear that this medical intervention has the potential to positively impact lives. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and professional guidance is crucial. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take charge of your health and well-being. Until next time, stay healthy! If you'd like to learn more, please visit our clinic and I got you!